What's up everybody, Marcel is here, and today's tutorial will be on how I made these awesome Toon style renders. And by the way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, a link will be in the description. So enough words, let's begin. Okay, so I just opened my project file. First off, let's review the light source. I'm using a sun lamp, only with direct light, with no GI. So I set max bounces to 0, and as I want my shadows to be hard, I set angle to 0 too. Of course you can kill all the bounces, all the GI in render properties. If you go to light paths, max bounces set total to 0, will be the same effect. And for the shaders, there's nothing really complicated. I'm using Toon shader with bump map that I made in JS placement. Concerning colors, I used vector math, and for the first input I choose color ramp, and in second input I plugged true normals of the geometry to paint it different colors on different sides. And why color ramp? If I connect layer weight node to color ramp, I can go completely crazy with the colors. Let me play with the settings a bit. And of course rotate my sun. I think it looks awesome, but of course it takes some time to get the right setup. If you want to use Eevee instead of Toon shader, you will be using, for example, Principled with shader to RGB node. But the advantage of using cycles is that your normal maps will be high resolution. I will leave a sample file on my Patreon page so you can download it and play with it, review my settings. If you found my content useful, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.